I had entered the ring to fight. I didn't give up, but a punch hurt too much and so I said enough. I go out with my head held high.
Do you know that Italian boxer Angela Carini abandoned her match against Algerian boxer Imani Khelif after just 46 seconds due to the severity of Khelif's punches, one of which dislodged Carini's chin strap and bloodied her shorts. I'm completely astonished with the articles and social media posts I researched on regarding the women's welterweight boxing category, 66 kilograms, in the ongoing 2024 Paris Olympics. Now, after my own research, I realized that Imani Khelif likely falls under the category of intersex, potentially with a condition such as androgen insensitivity syndrome or AIS. Now, on my standpoint as a normal sports enthusiast, what I suggest is that the International Olympic Committee or IOC can simply have a separate division or category for women athletes with androgen insensitivity syndrome AIS condition, or simply decide whether they will disallow participants with androgen insensitivity syndrome or AIS to join in any women's sports categories moving forward.